morning class. So today we are going to study about some weather facts before starting your second chapter. I have already given you the answers of the second chapter till chapter 4. So now let us have an explanation of all those chapters one by one. Okay, chapter 1 has been explained. Now it's time for chapter 2. So before we go to that, it's necessary to know about some of the weather facts. कुछ weather की जानकारी ज़रूरी है चैप्टर 2 को स्टार्ट करने से पहले, तो पहले हम लोग ये पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट, लाइटनिंग. ओके, द फर्स्ट वन इज lightning. Lightning is a powerful burst of electricity, as you can see here. Okay, it's a powerful burst of electricity. It's like you are getting an electric shock. ऐसा है जैसे आपको इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक लगा हो, वो भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा पावर का. बिल्कुल वैसा होता है लाइटनिंग, जिसे हम हिंदी में बिजली कड़कना बोलते हैं. दैट इज़ लाइटनिंग. ओके. A rain gauge is used to measure the amount of rain over a certain period of time. So एक जगह कितनी बारिश हुई है, उस बारिश के मेज़रमेंट के लिए ये यूज़ होता है. ओके, सॉरी, this is a rain gauge and it is used to measure the amount of rain at a particular place. All right. Now, Cherrapunji in Meghalaya, India, is the second wettest place on earth and the only place in India to receive the rain all round the year. So चिरापुंजी एक जगह है मेघालय में, ठीक है, जो कि इंडिया में है, और ये अर्थ का सेकंड मोस्ट वेट, ठीक है, बारिश के कारण इंडिया वर्ल्ड का सेकंड मोस्ट वेट प्लेस है जहाँ पूरे साल बारिश होती है. दिस प्लेस डज नॉट रिक्वायर रेनी सीजन. It rains all around an year. Okay. Now, thunder. You know, when we see thunder, when we hear a thunder, lightning दिखती है हमें. Thunder सुनाई देता है, दिखता lightning है. Okay, we see the lightning, but we hear the thunder. जो कड़कने की आवाज़ है वो thunder है, और जो दिखता है वो lightning है. All right. And there are more than 1800 thunderstorms occurring at any time given on earth. So किसी भी given time में 1800 thunderstorms हो रहे होते हैं अर्थ पे, किसी given place, given time पे. All right. And a thunder cannot happen without lightning. If you see the lightning, there has to be a thunder. All right. Moving on. A rainbow. All right. So you see this picture. This is rainbow. Fine. So let's talk about rainbow. A rainbow is not an object. Rainbow जो है वो एक ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है जिसको हम छू सकते हैं. We cannot touch it. अगर लगे कि हम रेनबो मेरे से बहुत पास है, मैं इसको छू लूँगा, नहीं. You can't touch the rainbow. No matter how close you are, you cannot touch a rainbow, and it generally occurs after rain. Okay, after a rainfall, you can see rainbow in the sky. All right. Now, depending on its strength, wind is known as a breeze, gale, storm or hurricane. Ab, if you focus here in this picture, you can see that how the tree and the leaves and everything. So that's a storm. अगर विंड जो है, अगर हवा जो है वो नॉर्मली फ्लो कर रहा है तो वो एक नॉर्मल ब्रीज होती है. फाइन. इफ़ इट इज़ फ्लोइंग वेरी what can we say, बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पीड में, if it's flowing, then it is called a gale, storm or hurricane. Hurricane is the most dangerous form of wind. Okay. The second one is storm. Now, Mawson Ram in Meghalaya, India, is noted as being the wettest place on earth with over 11 meter of rain falling everywhere. So you see this place Mawson Ram, and both the wettest place of the earth, both are in India, in Meghalaya. Cherrapunji is the second one. Okay, and Mawson Ram is the first, is the top most wettest place on earth. सबसे ज़्यादा रेनफॉल यहाँ होती है 11 मीटर. Okay, 11 meter of rain every year. All right. India recorded its highest ever temperature when the heat in the town of Phalori in Rajasthan shot up to 51 degrees Celsius. So, here India recorded its highest temperature in Rajasthan, in a टाउन ऑफ फलौरी, जहाँ पे टेम्परेचर आपको 51 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक चला गया. ऑल राइट, नाउ what have we left? Anemometers are used to measure the wind speed. Okay, so these are the devices that is used to measure the wind speed. Okay, and that wind speed only determines that whether it is breeze or gale or storm or hurricane. Okay, so that's it in this weather facts. Now let's go to chapter 2.